Hi friends, this is Syed Mansoor Ali. Today I came up with a selected list of stocks. Normally every year we pick some Diwali picks. So this year we are not making any exception to that. So welcome to the Math-0-Magic. Now let us try to see that what are the potential, as per my understanding, maybe wrong, maybe right, what are the potential stocks for coming days. So the list of stocks which I have selected out of many stocks is based on random selection. Though I believe that there are so many good stocks which are there, they can rise manyfold in coming days, may not rise manyfold in coming days, but these are stocks which I find as a structural wise is forming good shape in chart. So far fundamental is concerned, I'm not expert on the fundamental, but however I have tried to read a little bit. So the first one is Saxoft, second is GPT Infra, JTL Infra. Both are infra, both are risky. Tribini Turbine, good fundamental, chart pattern is good, making 52 weeks high. Himadri Specialty Chemical is also looking good in structural wise in monthly chart. Jai Crop is Bahu Charchit stock. Everyone is talking about it. After many days, I better say, multi-year gap, it is forming a new form of kind of multiplier chart pattern, which may fail, but nobody knows. Let us try to understand the charts. So far as Saxapt is concerned, Saxapt which I picked on 1st of October 2020, 1st of September 2022. This one is from this IT sector. So as you see that I have taken this data from screener.in. So now after split, the price came down. Perhaps it split 1:10. Now coming to the chart, you see this as per my understanding, my mathematical calculation. The support is at 88 or 93 rupees. Now the resistance is at 118. So it came uh, down from 118 level. Now it is trading at around 102, 104. So the next resistance is 153 and then 215. These two levels may not come so easily because there are some others intermediate level like 112, 114 and 129, 136 are major resistance. 136 is a level which is required to be breached in upside, and a sustainable price movement should be seen over there at 136 for making the stock to a new high. Otherwise the price movement may capsized as per my answer. So remember 136 is seems to be a big boy's entry point, and why I put 93, because 93 is also a big boy's entry point in Saxaft. Now next is GPT Infra Projects. A GPT Infra Projects is a construction company engaging in executing civil and infrastructural projects. It manufactures concrete sleepers and for railways. So in India, infra has lot of space to grow, as per my understanding. So in GPT Infra, I spotted long back. Though for this purpose, I spotted it on 1st of October 2022, and that time the price was 139.74. When today I am making the video for this Diwali peak, the price has increased a bit, I believe. So coming to the chart, You see it's a nice chart setup. So 139, when is 139, the next resistance is at 159 and 224. And here also this 136.19 is a level which is a big boys entry point, and I believe this price is required to be breached with good volume for further upside. Now let us see how this price is played with. Now GPT Infra today, that is on 8th of October, is trading at 128.95. So it came down from that level. 136 is now prominent resistance for this stock. The next is GTL Infra. This is also spotted on 1st of October 2022. When I spotted, it was much below to that, but on 1st of October it was 262. So if we come to the chart, if you see that the listing price was around 243.35, then the price goes up, down, up, down, up, down, and in the beginning of since 2022, the price did move a bit, but it came down heavily. Now in the month of September, the price after many months, at least after the gap of 6 months, it's trying to move above the IPO listing price, stock listing price high. So the stock listing price high crossing is a good sign. So long it is above 243.35, that is the high of the listing week high in the weekly chart. So we may see further upside. Now the resistance was at 279 because the previous high was 279.70. So it crossed that level today when I'm making this video. Now it's trading around 287.25. So 287.25. So as per you see, my resistance is at 287.51. So it is the working. So if this resistance has been crossed, then we have to we can see for 371, 521 level. Though these are far away level, in between for one of the finest support or big boys entry point, I say 245.55, and 279 is a crucial level because it's called a roof level. So it crossed 279 also. So now the next hurdle is 312. If the price goes above 312, we may see a fataka movement in this counter. Though these two, both the GPT Infra and GTL Infra, are risky counter. Now Triveni turbine, इसकी तो क्या कहना. Triveni turbine is making good. I spotted it long back below 200 level. I spotted it. However, when I'm picking up the stocks for this Diwali picks, so Triveni turbine came into my mind. I have looked into the charts. So far the informations are there in the screen. Kindly see. When this was taken on 3rd of October 2022, the price was 257. Now the chart pattern is looking awesome, isn't it? So the resistance has been broken. Now the next stop milestone for me is 329. This 329 is very good resistance level, and 245. 245 is the support as of now. Because when I'm making this video, Triveni is now trading 253.55. So 255 support was not hold. So now 245.55, 240.55 is good support level, where if the price comes down below 245.55 and then again there is a up move with volume obviously and other RSI structures, then we may see the price breaching this 279 will make 279.56 will make further high, because 279 is roof level resistance for Triveni. Now the next pick is Himadri Specialty Chemical. It's from chemical sector. I need not to say anything more about this counter, but the chart is looking very nice. The current price is 107.50, though I am following this from 75 level. So it is no harm to look at this chart at present also. Now see here this accumulation phase in 2014-16, there are these rise like KGF or Bahubali, whatever you say. Then there is a 2018 bad phase came, a falling knife, and in the COVID period low was made. Now further accumulation was seen. Now again a pattern seen that this box has been broken, and 2021 2022 rather the price moving up. So if you see इसके अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं, I say that 93 to 103 is good support level. If you want to take more support at downside, that would be 88.02 and 93.51. So once it cross 114, once it cross 114.92, that is the roof level, we may see the Hussein Bolt movement in this counter. Now next, this Jacob was sleeping like anything for last couple of years, months. It's making low, and now in every social media, in every Telegram channel, in every discussion, we find that Jacob is a buzzing stock. So Jacob has chart wise has formed a nice chart pattern, which you can see. So that the resistance is shown as 223 in the chart. There is a high of 2018. So breaking 2018 high would be one of the 4 years breakout, 5 years breakout. So now it is trading at around 209.05. So 209.05, so it's 186, one of the good entry point for the big boys, and the support would be 166.01. So once it's crossing this 214 level or 216 level, we may see a good up move, and I see that 245 is a level which may create a resistance, because 245 is a reversal upside level. So if that crossed with volume 245, then we 301 may not be far off for this counter. So these stocks selected by me are on random search. There are many other stocks which have potential to grow higher high. My reads are for academic purpose. Please do not treat these peaks as trade suggestions. Consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision. I am an amateur without any SEBI registration. Please see the chart patterns, not the stocks. I have used Arthashastra level here to find support and resistance. Thank you.